The big ships down there, right?
Yeah.
Like the tall ships?
I took some pictures of it.
Yeah. Good.
Well, I did manage to get a picture of a CP going over.
Oh, good.
Yeah, but I missed the CN because I was at the chip thing.
Aw.
It was, oh well.
Yeah?
But you know, I managed to get the CP right from the Signal River Bridge earlier. I just got to it in time and I heard it coming and I just...
Oh. See, anytime straight time, you don't know.
Well, with this line.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because CNCP, it's all going north.
Yeah.
It's doing a little documenting. Me leaving Parry Sound.
Did you see the new one there?
Yeah.
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 Really added on to it.
Mm-hmm. But you know, as I'm always holding on to my quote, thinking of the quote that what Ronnie told me.
Yeah.
Parry Sound will never leave me.
No, that's right.
Yeah. You know, it's gonna welcome me with open arms.
That's right. Did
Yeah.
you go to the boat then?
Well, then, yeah, they're moving.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So they didn't really have a good selection, but...
Did they say where they're moving, or?
Just 2 streets down. I mean, 2 places down.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're not there next to Subway.
Yeah. And that old sporting place. No, Core Sports isn't open on Sundays now.
Oh, that right.
No.
I think they would be. Summer.
Yeah. Pretty disappointed because I saw those lovely Shamrock hats and more shirts they had in there.
Yeah.
But I guess they decided to close for the weekend.
Oh, that's stupid.
I know.
Yeah. Get more thick on the weekend than you would through the week.
Yeah. Well, I guess we gotta go down to that thing I want to go to.
Yeah.
You want?
Told me where it was because I was in there and saw it. But I'm not driving it, so I didn't know.
Yeah, right there is where I bought it.
Oh, Freddy's.
Yeah. He was glad. Well, at least I got to have my Mr. Chips.
Oh, you didn't have your Mr. Chips?
I did.
Oh, did you?
I was kind of...
How were they?
Good.
Were they?
Good as always.
Yeah? Good.
Always good. Guess I go down and check that thing out.
Trestle Brewery is, you know where that is.
Yeah.
Really added on to that now.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Put a new back on it.
Patio.
Outside thing. There it is. You can see the trestle in the background, folks. This is live, as you see it in my beautiful hometown of Parry Sound. Yeah, this is my legacy, and I'm going to miss it.
I know, but then you'll be back.
Oh yeah, probably with a friend too.
And this will be something too, if we, you know, the movie part of it.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that was...
Wayne Tuck used to live here or something.
Yeah, I think that one there. Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't know.
I think he's in Wasteland, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's down below the hill on the left.
Yeah. It is. It's a big blue wall. Yeah. Parry Sound Road. Yeah. You don't see it there. You're gonna see a blue wall in a minute, folks. If it's there. Yeah. Busy spot.
Yeah. Well, they fixed that dock, eh?
Yeah. Well, there's where they did Northern Rescue. Oh.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Sure?
Oh yeah. There it is. There's the aquarium
Yeah.
where they did Northern Rescue. I can see images of it.
Yeah.
Never know, they might use it again.
You never know. And
Yeah.
then it was a booth there, but it's gone.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll go around
Yeah.
and see what else is there.
There it is, where all Northern Rescue was filmed. Yeah.
Oh, this is all worn off now.
Yeah. Never know, they might use it again if it does get renewed. Yeah, that's where I wanted